Now chart exercise 6 is a little bit tricky. If you take a close look at your notes, you will see there's little numbers or data labels sitting on your chart. And if you look at those numbers, they are in fact these total figures in row 10. You'll also see the bottom axis is years 2009 to 2015. So that implies we need to select the years versus the totals. With this range selected, I'm going to press F11 to create my chart. Now the type of chart we need here is an area chart, so I'm going to right click and change chart type. I'll go for an area chart and I'll click OK. The next thing I need to do is apply data labels. So I'm going to go to my chart elements, which is my green plus, and I'm going to choose data labels. But I need to hit the black triangle and show data callout. So I'm going to click data callout. And these are what they call data callouts. Now I need to go into more options and customize the data callout. For example, I don't need the category name. That's already shown on the bottom axis. So I'm going to take this tick off. And so all I'm then seeing is the value. I can then close the format data labels, and if I need to, I can bring some of these in just by holding your tongue right and pulling them onto the chart. And that, that is chart exercise 6.